Great day to you all. Welcome to Chop for Naija Kitchen, where we bring you mouth-watering delicacies for your viewing delight. My name is Fumi. So if you're just tuning in, you not forget to thumbs up this video. And of course, our YouTube channel is chopfornaija.tv. And you can also look us up on our other social media platforms, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram at Chop for Naija. Our website, of course, is www.chopfornaija.tv. So do not forget also to hit the notification icon, the bell icon, of course, so you can get subsequent notifications. I have here on set with me today, Tim Grace. Always smiling.
Oh, please, that's
but
the best.
Your smile is as beautiful as foods prepared.
Oh, thank you very much.
Yeah.
That's a huge compliment.
Okay, so please tell us, what exactly are we having today?
Wow. Now, I'm going to go out of Nigerian food this morning, this day. Okay. And then I'm just going to give you something from Cameroon.
Wow, all the way to Cameroon. That's a country.
In fact. So, and it's called Poulet DG.
Poulet DG.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's actually a meal prepared by Cameroonian for special person or a high-ranking officers of theirs.
So, wow. Okay, so can you just run through the ingredients so you can actually...
Okay, yeah. So we're going to make use of the chicken. So that chicken already washed, not yet seasoned. I'm going to show you a different way of seasoning it today.
Okay.
And then plantain. Make use of your plantain.
Does it have to be ripe plantain?
No. It doesn't have to be ripe. You can make use of unripe plantain depending on what you want. So and what you like to. So I have blended pepper and tomato together, just roughly blended. So I have garlic. My garlic, and this is the ginger. Okay. I have salt to taste. I have celery that I'm going to use. I'll show you how to make use of it. And then I have parsley. This is parsley.
Parsley.
See? So this is spring onions. So I have
carrots,
onions, bell pepper. So you're gonna make use of bell pepper of the yellow, green, and red to garnish it. And this is, you can call these green beans or runner beans. Okay. So runner beans. Yes. So you can actually call any of them. And this is my chopped onions and seasoning cube. Okay. So now it is something to prepare the chicken with. Okay. This is what I'm going to prepare now. So I'm going to blend the garlic, the ginger, the parsley, and then the celery and onions together. Okay. So I'm just going to blend them. That's what I'm going to use to season my chicken. So before I start preparing, I have to wash my hand to make sure that
very necessary.
So I'm just gonna marinate my chicken. Okay. So with some paste. So I'm gonna prepare the paste now. So my garlic, my ginger, and other of my things that I'm gonna use. These are all what I'm going to use to season my chicken. Wow. So I'm going to blend it and make it a paste. So this is my paste. So I'm just going to use it to my chicken. I'm going to marinate it. So I'm going to add my seasoning cube and salt to taste. So I'm gonna add salt to it. Okay. Just add salt. Because I discovered that, so I have to be very careful with my salt. I discovered that one of the leaves, that's the celery, has a little salty taste. So So I'm just gonna add little water to it. So I'm going to start boiling my chicken. Our chicken is on the burner, and then we are going over to prepare our plantain. So this is plantain. This is not banana. For some people that does not know what plantain looks like, so this is plantain. It's bigger, it's harder than the banana. So you pick the plantain and then you cut it. I'll just cut it. So I'm gonna use my hand to peel it out. So the plantain is well peeled, clean. So I'm gonna chop it. So I want to show you how to. Just my own style. You can get yours. So.
So for poulet DJ, can any other thing else can be used in place of plantain, like yam or potatoes or something?
Yes.
Okay.
Can make use of Irish potato.
Okay.
So our plantain is well chopped, circle style. We are just giving our chicken like 20 minutes. And then once it's ready, we fry our plantain, fry our chicken, then we prepare our sauce.
Okay.
So these are carrots. So I'm going to use it to season my sauce. So I want to style it. To quickly check on chicken. Oh, it's smelling so nice. But it's not ready yet. You still have to give it some time. So the green peel.
Okay.
Just chop it.
What size actually do you cut the green pea?
Slants.
Spring onions.
This is spring onions. Washed. Then just chop. I'm going to chop the bell pepper now.
The green?
The green, the yellow, and the red. But I'm not going to make use of all. Just quarter of it or half.
Green, yellow, red. Are you using the three just to have the mixture of colors, or is that regular? You guys using the three?
Mixture of color, mixture of flavor. So neatly chopped. So our chicken is ready. I'm going to remove it from the stock and then prepare it for frying. Oh, chicken smells very nice. So I'm taking it off from the burner, a saucepan for frying our plantain. So we are going to fry the plantain. This is my groundnut oil. You allow it out for like 2 to 3 minutes. So our plantain is going to the oil. I'm taking out the plantain. My chicken is done. Okay. So our chicken is ready, well fried. So
Okay.
Only half is.
I chopped onions, goes in, like I used to. I like putting my seasoning cube first. Blended pepper and tomato. So I'm going to leave it on the fire and allow it to dry. So the pepper is fried.
Okay.
So I'm going to add the stock, the chicken stock.
Okay.
So we still have our leftover paste.
Okay.
So I'll add to it. Just stir it. We'll allow it to fry a little bit. Then So I'll allow you to fry
it for a bit, okay.
for a bit. Because of the stock, I will just put it. So our pepper is ready. So I'm adding the chicken, the fried chicken, and the plantain. Our vegetables are green now. This is our chicken. So like our chicken seasoned with vegetables, fried plantain, and also seasoned with some vegetables. Oh, for me, I'm done. This is my boiled rice. Already made boiled rice ready.
Wow, our Poulet DJ is ready, also known as Chicken CEO.
Yeah.
And this looks very palatable. So I'm going to dig in now and have a taste of this. I can tell you all what it tastes like.
Yes. I'm waiting.
This is so delicious.
Thank you.
With the whole admixture of veggies. Man. Wow. In fact, if I had to describe this meal, then I give it excellent.
Wow.
Nothing short of that. I mean, it's so delicious. I really did enjoy it. I had a wonderful time actually with you on set.
Thank you.
Well, guys, it's been fun all the way. I hope you did enjoy watching how she went about mixing the whole veggies to actually cook up this great, wonderful meal. I had a fun time and I'm sure you also all did. Well, you can actually check us out on our social media platforms, just like I said earlier on. Until we come your way same time again, much love from me to you all.
Bye.
Bye.